Okay, this is going to be a bit tricky because I probably need 3 hands for this, and probably 2 brains as well. I'm just going to show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this 2014 Bentley Continental. You start the procedure off on here though, and then you go to the steering wheel, so hence I'm just holding this GoPro here, so it may be a bit shaky, please forgive me. So on the screen here, telephone, info, car, map, media, radio. So we go to telephone, click on telephone. Please connect your mobile telephone via instrument cluster using the steering wheel controls. So we go over to here and hopefully you will be able to see. Just go up there, but so we go to menu. It says connect there, no paired phone found, connect. So we go down, just turn that down, new user, click on new user. It's now searching. We go here quickly. Oh, Bluetooth is on, and then we're watching out at the bottom. It's picked up Barry's iPhone 13 Pro over here, so I'm going to click on that. 657, the Bluetooth pairing request pair. Confirm password over here, so click the button OK. Allow contacts and favorites to sync, allow. Now this will be interesting here because I can't just find a way of deleting a mobile. I've not looked at the instructions because I don't do that. Now it says 3 users already there. Delete users. So I'm going to go down to one of these, click on OK, delete, OK. User phone deleted. So Barry's iPhone 13 Pro user profiles connected. In the Bentley, it would appear there's no way of deleting a mobile unless you're already trying to pair another one. So that's a very strange system, but that's the way it is. So that's how you do that.